In this video lecture, I want to tell you something about the best, what I would call, other tools that you can use for your course topic analysis. There are many other tools that we haven't covered yet that can help you in evaluating the feasibility of your course topic. Each tool has its own strength and sometimes drawback, and each tool is unique in its approach. So you can use these or some of these to triangulate your findings for more robust results. As I explained before, I only use two because you cannot subscribe to every single piece of software out there. Because there are dozens, perhaps hundreds, and my subscription fees already add up to more than $7,000 per year for all my digital marketing activities. The first one I want to mention is Semrush, which I really like. So how it works, Semrush is a complete marketing toolkit that includes keyword research, competitor analysis, and social media tracking. It provides data on things like search volume, keyword difficulty, and competitive density, some features that you have already heard about when we covered keywords everywhere. This software is very comprehensive, and I would consider it overkill for only the purpose of this masterclass. So unless you have other side gigs or activities like websites, sales funnels, blogs, and more, besides just creating and selling courses, this might be too big and expensive. The pros. Semrush excels in the breadth and depth of data it provides. So it goes a lot deeper than keywords everywhere. It is excellent for competitor analysis and can even help you identify gaps in the market. Then when it comes to the cons, the extensive features may be overwhelming for beginners. It also works on a subscription basis, which might be expensive for some. And when it comes to relevance for course viability, Semrush can help you understand how many people are searching for content related to your course topic. It also provides insights into the competition, helping you to find your unique angle. The second tool is BuzzSumo. How it works is it is a tool for content research and social media insights. It allows you to see the most shared content for any topic or website. The features are ever expanding and include complete content reviews, a sort of marketplace to connect to social media influencers, and includes many options for automations and integration. Like with Semrush, this is relatively expensive because this software or platform can do a lot more than what you would need it for to do your course topic analysis or market research. BuzzSumo's strength lies in the ability to identify trending topics and influential content creators. It also has a user-friendly interface. It is also very strong when it comes to integrations. But for course creation, there is not much that we have to connect it with. The cons: its full suite of features requires a relatively expensive subscription, and it primarily focuses on social media. The relevance for course viability: BuzzSumo can give you insights into popular topics and influential voices in the field or topic that you're interested in for your course that you want to target. This can help you refine your course content and identify potential promotional partnerships. The third one is a completely different tool. It's SurveyMonkey. How it works. SurveyMonkey is a tool that allows you to create and distribute surveys to gather direct feedback from your audience. You can make very intuitive digital survey forms, send them out, and easily manage the follow-up to make sure that people actually fill out the form and send back their input. Collecting the filled out forms and analyzing the feedback is also very professional and easy to do. The last few years they have significantly dialed back the free options. So to get the most out of this, you need to subscribe. You cannot just do with the free account. When it comes to pros, SurveyMonkey is user-friendly and customizable. It allows you to ask specific questions to understand the needs and wants of your potential students. And when it comes to cons, effective surveying requires a solid understanding of your audience and thoughtful question design. Then the relevance for course viability. SurveyMonkey lets you gather direct feedback on your course idea, giving you a clear understanding of what your audience wants to learn. The fourth tool is also completely different from the first two. It's Quora. Perhaps you know Quora already, but how it works, it's a question and answer platform where users can pose questions and provide answers on a wide array of topics. The pros are that it's free and it's an open platform that provides a wealth of insights into what questions people are asking about the topic of your course. The cons, information can be scattered and it takes time to comb through the responses to gather insights. Then the relevance for course viability. Quora can reveal the most common questions and challenges people face related to your course topic. This can inform the problems your course aims to solve and also the chapters and the structure of your course, ensuring it's relevant and valuable to your audience. So those are the 4 tools that I wanted to share with you. A comprehensive guide to the top 4 tools for assessing the potential success of your course topic. I might record separate lectures on some of these over time, simply because the need for proper market research is increasing due to increasing competition. If and when I do, I will of course include them right here for free for you. A final remark on these tools: take a free trial on these if available and see which ones are most suitable for you. Use 1, 2, or perhaps 3 tools for your own research and don't overthink or overcomplicate things. However, you cannot skip this step, because understanding your market is key to creating a course that resonates and simply sells. Let's continue to build on this momentum in the next lecture. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.